When it comes to protecting your home, the right firearm can provide you with peace of mind. But have you ever wondered which firearm will give you confidence in times of uncertainty? With so many options in the market, which weapon will offer you the reliability and firepower needed to protect your family in critical situations? Stay with us until the end of this video to explore the best home defense shotguns every American should buy, each of which ensures your safety even in the most challenging situations. Number 5. Remington 870 Tactical. The Remington 870 Tactical is one of the most reliable and popular choices for home defense situations. The firearm has a durable construction and is built to last milled from solid billet steel, resulting in a receiver that is very strong and rigid. In addition, the receiver can be easily modified if you wish to add custom accessories, such as an optics rail for mounting sights or scopes to improve targeting. The shotgun uses a pump-action mechanism that is known for reliability, as the cycling of the action is done manually, which reduces the risk of malfunctions, unlike semi-auto shotguns. This type of action is favored in home defense situations as it's extremely reliable and simple to operate. The Remington 870 Tactical is chambered for 12-gauge shells, one of the most common and versatile calibers available, known for their power in various applications. The shotgun uses a safety mechanism known as the crossbolt safety, located at the rear of the trigger guard. This safety button can be easily engaged to block the trigger from being pulled, preventing the shotgun from firing when not in use. If you wish to fire a shotgun, you can easily push the button to the opposite side to disengage it, making your weapon ready to fire. The chamber of the shotgun is designed to handle shells up to 3 inches in length, so it can shoot both 2.75-inch shells and 3-inch shells for increased power. The Remington 870 Tactical is available in both synthetic and hardwood stocks that allows you to choose the one based on your needs. The synthetic stocks are designed to be tough, are highly resistant to harsh conditions, and are easier to clean and maintain, while the hardwood stocks provide a traditional feel and classic aesthetics to your shotgun. Would you prefer your shotgun to have the classic hardwood look or the modern durability of synthetic stocks? Number 4. Beretta 1301 Tactical. Ready to expand your defensive collection? The Beretta 1301 Tactical stands out with its reliability and robust performance while giving you confidence in critical situations. Its compact design makes it ideal for narrower spaces and close-quarter maneuverings where space is limited and quick movements are required. The 1301 Tactical uses a Beretta Blink gas operating system that allows fast and multiple shots one after the other, effective for defensive scenarios where speed is crucial. Equipped with ergonomic features such as the oversized bolt handle, which makes it easier to grip and operate, oversized safety, which allows for quick engagement and disengagement, and the oversized bolt that facilitates the quick release of the bolt, are designed for ease of use even with gloved hands to enhance usability in high-stress situations. The Beretta 1301 Tactical features an 18.5-inch barrel that is optimal for tactical use and includes a Picatinny rail on the handguard for mounting tactical accessories such as flashlights, lasers, and optics as per your needs. Whether you need to enhance aiming accuracy or improve target visibility in low-light conditions, you can easily configure your shotgun with this feature for different scenarios. The shotgun stock is equipped with an aggressive checkering pattern, which provides a textured surface to enhance grip and control. It also includes spacers that allow the length of pull to be adjusted by adding or removing them to fit the user's body size and shooting style. The Beretta 1301 Tactical uses a combination of a ghost ring rear sight and interchangeable front blade sight that offers enhanced accuracy and adaptability, making it an excellent choice for challenging shooting scenarios. Think about it, the Beretta 1301 Tactical might be the perfect fit for your defensive needs. Number 3. Benelli M4. The Benelli M4 is a highly regarded semi-auto shotgun for defensive scenarios. The shotgun uses a gas-operated system and uses a gas piston located beneath the barrel. The gas is used to cycle the action automatically without the need for manual adjustments. The Benelli M4 is highly durable and uses a combination of steel and aluminum, along with a corrosion-resistant finish that maintains its functionality and appearance for many years. It's one of the most reliable shotguns available that can fire at least 25,000 rounds without needing any major parts replaced, saving both time and money while giving you the confidence for defensive purposes. The Benelli M4 has a standard barrel length which is around 14 inches. Due to this short length, it becomes easy for you to maneuver it around narrowed spaces and corners. The shotgun is flexible and versatile enough to be used comfortably by different members of a household with its adjustable stock feature that can be adjusted to change the length of pull according to the user's preferences and body size. The top of the receiver includes an integrated Picatinny rail that allows for easy mounting of optics and other accessories, making it highly customizable to meet the specific needs and preferences of different shooters. The shotgun also has a pistol grip feature that improves the overall shooting experience by providing a firm and stable hold on your firearm, contributing to better accuracy and maneuverability, making you look like an expert during use. The firearm offers a good balance between firepower and manageable reloading with its magazine capacity of 5+1 rounds and includes a feature known as ghost ring sights, which allows for effective home defense in low-light situations. What if you face multiple threats all at once? No worries, the Benelli M4's rapid reload capability allows for fast and efficient reloading in a stressful situation, giving you the confidence to handle multiple threats effectively. Trust me, investing in the Benelli M4 will be a decision you won't regret. Number 2. Mossberg 590. The Mossberg 590 has been a trusted tool for military and law enforcement agencies around the world for many years. The shotgun also adapts well to home defense needs, offering you peace of mind in critical situations. With its range of features, the Mossberg 590 is versatile enough that it ensures you can find a model that aligns perfectly with your needs for home defense. It offers a variety of magazine capacities from 6 shots to 9 shots for general use to extended home defense scenarios. The Mossberg 590 lineup also offers models in 3 different gauges, from the most common 12 gauge for maximum power to a 20 gauge that offers reduced recoil, and finally the 410 bore, which balances firepower and manageability in a compact package. With so many options, you can select a model that best fits your needs. Interested in adding accessories and optics to your shotgun? The Mossberg 590 features a drilled and tapped receiver for those who want to upgrade their shotgun with personalized accessories. The receiver comes with pre-drilled holes and threaded inserts for easy installation of various accessories, so users can configure the firearm to their preferences while improving its functionality. The shotgun also includes dual extractors that further improve its performance and extract the spent shells from the barrel after firing, reducing the chance of jams or failures when shooting multiple rounds quickly. The safety mechanism in the Mossberg 590 is ambidextrous, located on top of the receiver. No matter whether you are left-handed or right-handed, it can be easily accessed from either side of the shotgun. The Mossberg 590's plain barrel with a blued matte finish and synthetic stock offers durability and reliability, making it a top choice for home defense situations. Number 1. Maverick 88. Don't want to spend a fortune on a shotgun but need one that's reliable for home defense? The Maverick 88 stands out as one of the most affordable and reliable shotguns, which is also versatile enough for other uses. Even with its affordability, there is no compromise on the solid performance for your home defense needs. The Maverick 88 uses a pump-action system known for its reliability and is capable of handling various types of ammunition. It features a synthetic stock and fore-end, which makes it resistant to different weather conditions, ensuring your weapon remains durable and reliable across different environmental conditions. The firearm provides you the choice between a 6-shot and 8-shot capacity, so you can choose depending on your specific needs and preferences. It also offers both 12-gauge and 20-gauge options, providing versatility to suit different preferences and needs. The crossbolt safety located in front of the trigger guard helps prevent accidental discharges while enhancing overall firearm safety. The shotgun is user-convenient with its easy-to-maintain design that involves removing just one pin for disassembly, ensuring its cleaning and maintenance can be carried out quickly and efficiently. The combination of dual extractors, twin-action bars, and anti-jam elevator ensures a high level of smooth operation that works together to enhance the shotgun's performance, making the Maverick 88 a dependable choice for home defense scenarios. Would you prefer buying Maverick 88 from Mossberg to protect your home and loved ones? Investing in one of these firearms means investing in your safety. Therefore, every American should consider buying one of these top home defense shotguns to ensure the highest level of protection for their home and family. That's a wrap to our video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos on more firearms. Take care and see you next time.